you're new, welcome and join Tae on this YouTube journey. I'm just gonna get right into this video. Last night I did a wash and go on my natural hair, and today I'm gonna show you how to get this wash and go in a slick back ponytail. So I'm gonna be using a few products, and then I'm just gonna let you enjoy this video. I'm not gonna talk too much, but here's the products I'm gonna use. Styler Gel-Argan Oil styling gel. I love this one. There's plenty of other styler gels, but this is the one I prefer, the argan oil. 24-hour edge tamer, the ebin, and I just got this type. It's the Acai berry. They have different colors, scented ebin edge tamer. So I love this ebin edge tamer. The extreme firm hold is my favorite, with a purple top, and I got this at my local beauty supply. Ponytail holder and brush. I got this at the beauty supply. It's my favorite. Just like a denim brush, but cheaper. So Rattail Comb, brush. I got this at Walmart. I forgot the name, but it's like a little thinner brush. I like that. And an edge brush. Got it at the beauty supply. So let's get it. Let's get into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss any of my new videos. I post every first and third Sundays now, so stay tuned. Thank you and enjoy this video.
All the stuff that you've been worrying about. Never mind all the people trying to bring you down. Oh, never mind all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right now it's time to thank him. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you done for me, for how you loving me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind. Never mind right now, just wanna thank him. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? have inside. Never mind to the things going on right now. I just wanna say hallelujah, hallelujah. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Oh, oh, oh. 'Cause what you do right now, going through right now, I just praise the Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you love me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. Just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind lately. Never mind. Right now, just wanna thank you. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? I'm gonna dance like they, yeah. Have faith like Abraham. Prophesy like Jeremiah. Pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like David, yeah. Have faith like Abraham. Prophesy like Jeremiah. Pray just like Elijah. Mind over matter, it don't matter. So do you mind if I just give you all the praise I have inside? Never mind to the things going on right now. I just wanna say hallelujah, hallelujah. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Oh, oh, oh. 'Cause what you do right now, going through right now, I just praise the Lord. Never mind all the stuff that you've been worrying about. Never mind all the people trying to bring you down. Or never mind all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right now it's
Alright, y'all, there you have it. I did a slick back bun, and I put a little water in my hair before I started. And it's an easy slick back bun. It only took about five minutes or so. It wasn't that long, but I hope you like it. And I did my edges, and I got my curls, and I got my swoop. Thank you for tuning in. God bless you.